How to check the car oil level on the Audi A4 2012. So on the dashboard here, you want to press on the car button. When you press on the car button, this will changes, and in here, using the control, you can turn, using this knob here, you can turn left or right, and this will allow you to move this. So you want to go down and then select oil level, then press on this button. Here, so you need to turn on the car. So I'm gonna start the car, and here said there is currently no information available on engine or oil level, so you need to have your car run a little. Once the car is warm up, running correctly, and you are parked on a level surface, the information will appear here, oil level, and this is where you can check your oil level. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.